आज का मेरा व्लॉग है पाकिस्तान और साउथ अफ्रीका के मैच के बारे में। साउथ अफ्रीका एक बहुत ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टीम है, तो उसने पहले बैटिंग करते हुए वनडे मैच में पाकिस्तान को 287 का टारगेट दिया। पाकिस्तान की क्रीम बैटिंग आउट हो गई, तो विकेट पे सिर्फ अब्दुल रज़ाक।
Abdul Razaq turning it on for Pakistan. 2 sixes in the over.
Well, he's dangerous. That much we know. If you miss your area and he's on song, he's going to punish you. Shah Langefeld again not getting it up far enough, missing that Yorker length. So second six in the over.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! What a strike! A slower delivery, picked by Abdul Razaq and deposited at part.
20 off the over so far. Terrific batting by Abdul Razzaq. Not the best of death bowling by Shah Langefeld. Got to be full and you got to be straight. That was a slower delivery, right in the arc, but well struck.
What a way to bring up the 250. There's the equation on the big screen. 33 from 19. That's where you want to be. Got a hit. It's done so. Fantastic work. Put the left hand out. Shah Langefeld. And it's run Wahab Riaz out, who needed to get to the other end to get Abdul Razaq on strike. 8 down now, Pakistan, for 254. That's it. No ball. No ball. There'll be a free hit. Oh, it's got to run back. It's got to run back. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Syed Ajmal, unaware of the scenario. You've got to get your gun batsman on strike, so you've got to run as fast as you can and just get back in at the non-strikers end and let the batsman do the batting. He's gone for one. Pakistan have just 1 wicket standing now, 257 on the board. Free hit. Oh, picks it up. What a shot! Not too far short of being 6. It's gone for 4. Bonus. 26 from 14. That's what's required now.
Well, that was a great shot. Not the best of deliveries. Well, Abdul Razzaq's got no choice. They just got the 1 wicket left, so he's just got to keep going and hope for the best.
That's why he wants to be on strike and he wants to hit some boundaries and ensure that Pakistan get home. Oh, 6 off the first ball, throws it wide open.
Well, Shah Langefeld is taking a fearful battering. Previous over went for 20. Again, he's in the slot, missing his length. Got to be full and you've got to be straight. Or full and just inside the wide line on the offside. When you bowl that length, you're right in the arc.
Oh my word! Goodness me! That was a crack off the bat. 4 runs.
Attempted bouncer. Well, Shah Langefeld is definitely not getting it right. He's trying to bowl too many different deliveries. So he's actually confusing himself and making it tough for Jan Buerta to set a field. Pakistan have done well to get this close. They were out of it. They were well out of it until Abdul Razzaq took over.
Oh, goodness me! He smoked that right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for 6. He's on to 99, Abdul Razaq.
What a shot. Albie Morkel full toss, missing the Yorker length. Razaq, he's not going to miss out on that. That takes him to 99 as well. Sensational inning so far.
Oh my word! Can you believe it? Can you believe it? 100 up, he brings it up with 100. With a 6, I should say. 105 of 70 balls. Just 2 runs left to get now for Pakistan. This is in the slot, and he just dispatches it out the park.
Oh, we keep talking about that length. You cannot get your length wrong at the death. 2 runs to win. 3 deliveries in which to get them. Who would have thought that Pakistan would get back into this one? If they win this match, the series will come alive.
He was after it, and then gave up the ghost. The ground not big enough. Length missed and punished by Abdul Razaq. He's punished every bowler that's bowled at the death in the pressure situations here and missed their lengths. 2 from 3 balls. There's some fielders in the deep, long on, long off, deep backward square, fine leg. Oh, it's a big appeal from behind. Heavon de Villiers has gone up, but a belated appeal from Helby Morkel. He's convinced Heavon de Villiers, but needed some help. We'll need to listen to that.
There's been a few controversial decisions tonight. Pretty tough to tell. Heavon de Villiers was convinced. Mind he was convinced over before as well that the ball carried to him, and that was given not out as well. So he's perplexed, to say the least. So all adding to the drama.
They're having a fantastic time. They were sad a bit earlier. Felt that Pakistan had capitulated again. Different now. Pakistan have brought home a sensational innings by Abdul Razaq. 109 from 72 balls. He's taken his side single-handedly home and beaten South Africa. It was done and dusted. Johan Botha and his men would have felt that they were home, just about home, and needed a clinical performance, and they were on their way there with a performance that seemingly was clinical, but